Training for speaking English, tray 3. Angkat dulu. Assalamualaikum. Komreng. Jangan menghalangi, Komreng. Hello guys, how are you all? If you are asking me, today is Friday, 24 October 2025. Just now I create some food to sell, but when we discuss it at day 1 and have a little time to create the food, it become really chaos. The thing is, the food that I create is pudding, and I got the recipe from ChatGPT. Hopefully this will be work and sell well. Other than to help my college program, because I'm in fundraising squad that need to increase the income for the future event. I create pudding, easy to make, don't need to worry for a long term. It spent a little time to create. Easy to make, and the resource is everywhere. I don't need to worry about the ingredients that it's a little bit silly that I make something that is as pudding, but it looks like a pudding, and I don't know if the taste is good or not, because right now I'm fasting. Yeah, going to college using a bicycle when I am fasting and training in English with you guys. So I hope the product will sell well, even though I know I will make a lot of mistakes, such as today. I do have a lot of time in my house, but somehow when I do it in my home, I don't use my time really well. It's just hard to do the right thing, and I lost somehow I love to put task at the corner, almost when the time is up, then I will charge it. I will hopefully I wanted to ask a few things about you guys. When you are doing something that you love, do you forget the time that passed within you? because the thing that we love, it has different value. It's perfect. It's hard for me, but it's not hard for you, or it's hard for you, but it's not easy for me. And I really want to know about it. What are few things that make me forget to chase my target, especially when it comes to entertainment, like manga and anime. Such as today, I found a manga and I read it. From chapter 0 to chapter 121. I finished the book, the digital comics that will ongoing for a few weeks, for 2 hours or 3 hours. Yeah, I think, wow, I did it again. This is an amazing thing, or it is a horrible thing. But at least from that, I experienced the thing that I love and that I don't love. Like I paid my time and my energy to read something that I like in cost of making a mistake, not a mistake, or some mistake in my selling project. But at least it's still running for a while, and I hope maybe it will be better than it is. Today is an era that you can have a lot of attention to something because there are too much that can lead us to read something, open something, and like something. It's really good, but when I think of it, in my economic class, agriculture entrepreneur is it's a profession. It's I don't really understand what the meaning of prodi, but I just say profession instead. It's a profession that teaches you something about nature, animals, and developing and creating items for selling. So the main thing is to develop the system that leads us to selling from hulu ke hilir, or you can say from creating the resource, process the resource into the product, and selling the product to the market. It's really a weird thing, and you think it's really a weird thing. And you need to concentrate on a few things: creating, selling, for only the foundation, so you will understand about a few things that related to the knowledge. Even though I understand that we need to learn a part of our college time, we need to spend our time to learn something instead in the college. And I hope I can learn it with you guys. Maybe I will make some content of it and I learn something. And I learned something and want to you can say back it out to you guys. And spread information about animal, plants, tips and tricks, and the other thing. Maybe you guys can comment in the comment section. What do you, what the thing that you feel hard to do, or the thing that you curious about? Is there a thing or do the theory practice will be useful in practical? Maybe I could also a lecture for you guys and found out what is the truth. Usually when you went to school, you will talk a lot of theory instead of practical things. And sometimes that theory thing is not used in our daily life. But in some cases, it is going to be used, but not all of it. So the school is a scam, not. Maybe it's depending on the people. Because school is designed for making the children to be smart in theory, but it might need some development, need some adjustment when you find it in practical situation. Theory is all about the perfectionism. You need to do it very clearly, very accurately, and follow the target no matter what the thing that happen in your situation. The case is, even though there are some standards in our world, and yeah, it may help us, it may not help us. Like when you want to learn about electricity or vehicle engineering, my uncle ever said that in real life, when you find a pit stop, a bengkel, the place that used for repair your vehicle, is not following the standard rules. And this shop, the engineering shop, the bengkel, is more cheaper and comfortable rather than the official shop. That is a few things that people ever said. Even I don't really understand is it really true or not, because I never try to do their job, and I see happening in the practical situation. The thing that I know, every human is lazy. Every human wants to get a big thing with a low effort. So the few thing that people always do is to substitute something, and it's okay to make it different than a standard if the job is done. Like when you went to a bengkel and need to fix your motorcycle, usually when you find it, the problem is from the electricity connection. Is the word keyboard. The other thing is with the another cable, but not based on the cable standard, and based on something that they have, and you need to change it with red. They don't have a red cable, then they will use a black cable. I just think that is, you can say it's quite inspired, or you can say it's a unique experience from the practical thing. Sometimes when you don't have any choice, you will be forced to do something that you may not like, but you come with a solution. It will help you for separating in a critical situation, and then you need to force your idealism to conquer. It will spend too much energy and time, and while you are doing it, another thing. It might be a foolish opinion, but I think it's really hard to balance between the theoretical and the practical. Theory is good in some cases because it gives to you a long-term foundation on fundamentally technique that good to do in some situation. Because in theory you need to at least research information about it. You need to really have need to have accurate data and clear objection. The theory is teaching us our fundamental. Sometimes the fundamental itself motivation. And if you find it out, then you want to try something else and try to experiencing a lot of things. Like the job is to find what if the thing is pure, then that is the result. Is it going to make it worse or is it going to make it better? I don't really know. When you find something that the result is getting better, there will be always a reason for it. You can ask the question, what is going on the practical thing, on the result. Whether you find it or not, at least you try. Then you will understand what the thing is happening between you and your project. You will be more clever, you will be more smart. But nowadays, it's not really easy to make ourselves elite apart from the other things that they have. You may have some privilege, you may have some wealthiness, you may have some inner skill, your basic power when you're getting hurt from the world, from the mom. But everything is still occur or resulted based on that negative. Everyone, these are one love stories about how they success, about what success that they made, and making unknown to be known. It's really fun, but in some cases we need to think about it again and try it on authentically, pikiran or thinking or idea is true or not. If the electricity has occurred before World War I, maybe there will be a lot of change in our history. We will have enough power to stay survive, prolong the war, have some energy, and make some advantage. Maybe everything will be changed. So I agree with someone that say he has the luck to get superiority apart from everyone else. But the luck is not something that you can in one day, in 1 hour, and suddenly you can make some benefit from it. All of it created by the experiences, the time that they spend to focus on something. And make it harder and harder. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, maybe that's all for me. My now is maybe shorter than before, and maybe I will create something. I mean, record something and tell you guys some stories apart from this. Uh, yeah, I'm tired. And see you guys soon. Maybe tomorrow or review our episode. Bye bye.